Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
Exercise 5.3, question number 3. In that one, given A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and Sn. We have AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 50 equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into 3. Change the sides. 5 plus N minus 1 into 3 equal to 50. N minus 1 into 3 equal to 50 minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 equal to 45. N minus 1 equal to 45 divided by 3. N minus 1 equal to 15. N equal to 15 plus 1. That is N equal to 16. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here a and an given. So we can use this formula. So that is equal to 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50. Here we proved n equal to 16. So that is equal to 8 into 55 equal to 440. Therefore Sn equal to 440. Question number 2, given A equal to 7, A13 equal to 35, find D and S13. Here A is given, A13. A13 means 13th term. So N also given 13 and the last term AN also given 35. You have to find out D and S13. So we can start with this A13. We have A13 equal to A plus 12D. That is 35 equal to 7 plus 12D. Change the sides. We get 7 plus 12D equal to 35. 12D equal to 35 minus 7. That is 12D equal to 28. D equal to 28 by 12. That is equal to 7 by 3. We cancelled it by 4 by 4. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 42. That is equal to 273. Therefore, S13 equal to 273. Question number 3. A12 equal to 37. D equal to 3, find A and S12. Here A12 equal to 37. So here it is given AN equal to 37 and N equal to 12. D equal to 3. We have to find out A and S12. So we can start with the A12. We have A12 equal to A plus 11t. That is 37 equal to A plus 11 into 3. That is 37 equal to A plus 33. Change the sides. We get A plus 33 equal to 37. A equal to 37 minus 33. That is A equal to 4. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus an. That is equal to 12 by 2 into 4 plus 37. That is equal to 6 into 41 equal to 246. Therefore, S12 equal to 246. Question number 4. Given A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125. Find D and A10. So the answer, given A3 equal to 15. We know A3 is A plus 2D. So we can write A plus 2D equal to 15. Keep it as equation number 1. Now we have S10 equal to 125. We have the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. That is 125 equal to 5 into 2A plus 9D. Let us change the sides. We get 5 into 2A plus 9D equal to 125. This into 5 we can take to right side. It is becoming divided by 5. So we get 2a plus 9d equal to 125 by 5. That is 2a plus 9d equal to 25. Keep it as equation number 2. So here we have equation number 1. We can write equation number 1 also here, and we can make the coefficients equal to apply the elimination method. Equation 1 is a plus 2d equal to 15. So here it is 2a, here it is a. To make here also 2a, we have to multiply the equation number 1 with the 2. So we get 2a plus 4d equal to 30. Now we can write the equation 2 also here. So we wrote the equation number 2 also here. Now let us apply the elimination method. Minus 5d equal to 5, d equal to minus 5 divided by 5, that is d equal to minus 1. So we got the value of d, it is minus 1. Now we have to find out what is a10. a10 we know it is a plus 9d. To find out a10, first we need to find out what is a. So we can give the value of d in any of this equation. So we can give it here a plus 2d equal to 15. There we can give d equal to minus 1. A plus 2d equal to 15. A plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 15. A plus minus 2 equal to 15. A equal to 15 plus 2, that is a equal to 17. So we go to the value of a and d. Now we can find out what is a10. a10 equal to a plus 9d. That is equal to 17 plus 9 into minus 1. We know a is 17, d is minus 1. So that is equal to 17 plus minus 9. That is equal to 8. So we go to the value of d and a10. The value of d is minus 1. Value of a10 is 8. Fifth question. Given d equal to 5, s9 equal to 75, find a and a9. Here it is given s9 equal to 75. So we can start with the s9. We have sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. s9 means n equal to 9. So s9 equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into 5. Here d is given 5. N is 9. So S9 is 75. So we can write 75 equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 into 5. In this step, this divided by 2 we can take to left side. It is becoming into 2. Here 8 into 5 that we can multiply. It is 40. So 75 into 2 equal to 9 into 2a plus 40. So we get 150 equal to 18a plus 360. 9 into 2a it is 18a. 9 into 40 it is 360. Change the sides, we get 18a plus 360 equal to 150. Now we can take this 360 to right side. We get 18a equal to 150 minus 360. 18a equal to minus 210. A equal to minus 210 divided by 18. We can cancel it by 6. We get a equal to minus 35 by 3. So we go to the value of a. Next we have to find out a9. We know a9 equal to a plus 8d. So we get a9 equal to a plus 8d, that is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into 5, that is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Here we need to cross multiply. So minus 35 by 3 plus 40 by 1. Minus 35 into 1 minus 35 plus 3 into 40, it is 120 by 3. Minus 35 plus 120 by 3, that is equal to 85 by 3. Therefore a9 is 85 by 3. A is minus 35 by 3.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.